Hi, I'm Lori, and this is Total Body Tune-Up. In this series, we're going to use 7 different foot positions in order to enhance total body performance. As we go through the routine, if any of the foot positions you feel any pain or discomfort, go back to one that feels good. Okay, we're going to get started with a jog, slicing the water. All right, so we're going to practice those different foot positions. Let's start by bringing one foot forward. This is kind of like a rocking jog as you distribute the weight front to back. Let's try the left leg now. So here you want to soften the legs. Let your body weight come all the way down so your heel's touching the pool floor. Let's take the feet wide. Let's bring them narrow. All right, the next foot position, turn the toes out. And the final one, bring the toes in. So here your toes are just off center in a comfortable position. Okay, let's bring those feet back to center. Now, if you'd like to go to a fist, to move a little bit more water, you can. What we're going to do here is we're going to repeat these 7 foot positions with a new move. Let's take it to a bounce. Push and pull that water. Soften the knees. And let's move one foot ahead of the other. Good, so just feel the water. Let it help you come up and down. Take the other foot forward. Now let's take the feet wide. That's it, you can move a little bit more water, bringing those hands front to back. And feet come narrow. And let's try those toes turned out. For a little less impact, you can take it to a squat if you prefer. And toes come in. Good, here's your chance to move a little bit more water, pushing and pulling front to back. Okay, we're going to go to our next move. It's a jumping jack. So we're going to go out and in. Now with this jumping jack, you're going to have a light impact. Arms and legs moving together. I want you to try something a little different. Bend at the knees and the hips. So we take out the bounce. We're lower in the water. This allows our core to work a little bit harder. Let's go back to level 1. Bring it up to that light impact. I want you to feel the difference as you push and pull the water. And going back down to level 2, let's have one more feel there. So now that you've played with the different impact levels, let's feel the difference in intensities. Come on back up to level 1. Jumping jack. Here I want you to try just being nice and easy, fluid with the movement. Now let's move a little bit more water. Maybe you're going to make a fist or maybe even a palm. That's it. Can you get a little bit longer? Arms and legs moving together. Great job. Now let's go easy jacks. One more go. And let's go hard. Move that water. Good, just a few here. Okay, bring those legs center. We're gonna go into a squat. It's front to back. Your hips lead the way. Feel the range of motion. Now let's step 1 foot forward. On this one, you should feel a nice stretch down the back of the front leg. And let's switch to the other side. Try to get through full range, pressing those hips back. Legs come wide now. Okay, we're bringing the feet narrow, feet together. And the last 2 foot positions. Let's turn the toes out. And here we go. The toes come in. Remember, they're just a little bit off the center. All right, we're going to take this to a jump. So it's going to be a tuck jump. So you can have a little bit of knees coming up, feet pushing down, feet are off the bottom, arms are hugging underneath the legs. Okay, remember the foot positions, 1 leg forward. That's it. Let's try the other side. Nicely done. Let's take those feet out wide. You can push the water center. Remember, your feet are coming off the floor. You might even be rounding that spine a little bit. And let's bring the feet narrow. You can either push to the floor or you can grab under the legs for a little bit more. That's up to you. Okay, we're turning the toes out now. You can play a little bit with the angles that you grab the water. Good job with those tucks. You got one more. Toes are in. Here we go. Where do your arms want to be? Grabbing water, helping to intensify the tuck. All right, here's your chance to do your own tucks, whatever speed feels good for you, and whatever foot position feels just right. Mix it up if you want, or stay on one if your body wants it. There. Keep that intensity up. Final finish. Here we go. Okay, you made it. Let's take 1 leg forward and take the opposite hand reaching front to back. You want a big stretch. Now that same hand is going side to side. Let your hips move away from that moving arm. Let's try around the corner. As you come around the corner, let that back heel come up so you can get a little bit more rotation over that top leg. Let's try 2 hands. Open it big. Can you move a little bit more water? Grab it, press it forward. We're going to repeat those same moves, other leg to the front. The opposite hand moving. Here it's side to side. Remember to let those hips move away from that stretching arm. Let's try around the corner. Notice your breath here. Take deep breaths as you go. 2 hands now. Okay, we're playing with foot positions. We're going to a run this time. Let's see it. Push and pull water. Make a fist or open that palm. Okay, remember those foot positions. Start with one leg forward. It's a little bit of a rock, but the work is in driving the knees up and down. Other leg forward. Let's try it wide. Push and pull. Nice, bring it center. Okay, you know what's next. Those feet turn out. Can you move those arms a little bigger? Make white water around you. Toes come in. Okay, one more go. Bring it front. One leg forward. We got to do the other side. Now take it wide. Bring it in. Toes go out. And toes in. Okay, here's your chance. You choose your foot positions. You choose your run. Here we can get low in the water, drive the knees up and down, a bit more of a level 2. You can choose where your feet want to be. Do you want to mix them up or keep them in one place? That's up to you. Keep at it. Okay, you did it. We're going to take it to our next move. It's going to be a step together. Start with one leg. It repeats, forward step. You can use the hands to assist. Great, now back it up. Use that other leg to start the movement. Nice and tall as you go. Do it again. And back it up. And bring it forward. Let's go the other leg. Step together. Okay, back it up with that lead leg. Legs meeting each other each time. One more go. Okay, we're going to take this after we go back. We're going to take it to a side travel next time. So here we go. Side, step together. And reverse. Let's have one more go. Okay, the next movement here is a travel forward on a diagonal. So step forward on a diagonal line. And then back it up. That's it. Repeat it again, same leg. We're gonna go 2, and then the other leg. Good, back it up. Other leg. Okay, we're switching sides. We're going to repeat on a diagonal. Forward travel, then back it up. Okay, once more. 2 and 2 this time. Change direction. That's it, back it up. Okay, so now that you got that down, we're going to increase intensity. It becomes a gallop. Travel forward. That's it. Back it up. Other leg leads. Really dig into the pool bottom. And back it up. Okay, we're going to try that side travel now. Here we go. Really dig into the water. Add some acceleration as you go. Change direction. Traveling forward. Here we go. Change direction. Back it up. Change direction. Let's do that again. Diagonal travel. Back it up. Okay, it's your chance to choose. What gallop do you want? You can mix it up. Remember, you got forward and back. You also have side to side, or mix it up with diagonals. You're almost finished here. Okay, we're going to take it to a light curl jog. So here, the wrists are leading the way. Up to the surface, then down to the floor. Knees are soft. Letting that heel come all the way down each time. Let the arms be soft, up and down. Going right hand only, reach across. Lead with the elbow on the way back. Okay, other side. All right, we're doing 2 hands now at the surface. Lead with the wrists. So it's still with that leg curl jog. Wrists are leading the way. Let's try repeating it. Legs come a little wider this time. Can you get a little bit bigger range of motion? One hand across. It's the other side. And at the surface, here we go. Shoulders are soft. Okay, let's bring those feet down to a grounded position. Take one leg back behind you and arms reach over top of that front leg. Switching sides. We're going to repeat this move. Let's go 4 and 4. And the other side. Moving water across the body as that leg taps back. 2 and 2 now. Other side. Once more. Switching. Okay, back to the starting leg. Corner to corner reach. I want you to feel long and strong. You should be moving lots of water at this time. Other leg switch, corner to corner. Okay, it's 4 and 4. Go back to the starting leg. And switch it up. Okay, we got 2 and 2. And switch. One more go. Okay, here's your chance. You choose to step back, or did you prefer the one with the angles? You can increase the intensity by adding a light bounce even if you choose, and picking up the speed. Here you'd be moving a little bit more water. It's up to you. Okay, here's a good time to change it up if you want to make a switch. You're welcome to speed up, slow down at any time, or even repeat on one leg. Okay, you made it. Tap the toe down and give me a little flick to the surface. Slow it down. Get nice big range of motion. Let's switch to the other leg. Tap it back. Flew it up. Okay, let's switch back to that lead leg and across the corner kick. Remember, this is nice and slow. Take that same leg, cross it back, and up to the opposite corner. Okay, we're going to the other side. Cross body. And cross behind. Okay, we're going to come to a lunge position. The leg that is forward. You're going to use the opposite hand to do a reaching action. But first, I want you to just check your range of motion. See how that spine feels, what range of motion you have. And then take that arm and head moving together, 12 to 6 o'clock. This time, stop the eyes to the side. Everything comes back center. Okay, eyes looking forward, hand keeps moving. And let's take a check. How does the body feel? Hopefully you got a little bit more range of motion on that side. Let's do it on the other. Switching legs. First, notice how you feel. And then let's take that arm and head moving together, 12 to 6. On the next go, stop the eyes at the side. And now eyes stay front. Just take your arm as big as your body allows in a pain-free zone. All right, check that range. How do you feel? Hopefully you got a little bit more range of motion there. Now what I'd like you to do is take a walk about the pool. You are going to step with knee lift and then flick the toe. So you can travel forward and just circle around. Travel in your own circle. Notice your breath. Nice fluid movement as you go. Okay, let's take a squat. Sit low in the water and inhale nice and big. Around the spine, push those hips back. Take a look over the right shoulder and the left, alternating. And bring it back center. Let's go up on the toes, back on the heels, get a little bit more range. Good. Sculling the water at front. Let's go back to a few of those alternating reaches. finish here with some easy breaths. Congratulations, you just completed the total body tune-up. As you continue to do these workouts, you'll be able to ramp up the intensity as your fitness level improves. We'll see you the next time.